In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up local delivery for your online store using Wix Ecommerce. Seamless local delivery can truly elevate your customer shopping experience, and I'll guide you through the setup process step by step. First, we need to ensure that Wix Stores is installed and active on your site. This is fundamental because it acts as the backbone for managing your online store. Once that's checked off, it's crucial to add your products with accurate weights and dimensions. These details play a vital role in calculating delivery logistics accurately, so ensure they're correct. Remember, precise product information paves the way for efficient delivery management and customer satisfaction. Now, it's time to navigate to your site dashboard at wix.com. Once you're there, head to Settings, proceed to Store, and then select Shipping and Delivery. Here, click on either Add Shipping Rule or Edit Delivery options, depending on your current setup. To focus on local delivery, choose Local Delivery as your shipping method. This selection will allow us to tailor the delivery experience specifically to your nearby clientele. Next, let's define your local delivery zones. Click on Manage Zones and select Add Zone. You'll want to name your delivery zone, perhaps something specific like downtown or metro area. Then, define the parameters of this zone, whether it be specific cities, zip codes, or a specified radius from your store location, such as 5 or 10 kilometers. Once your zone is configured, make sure to save it. For streamlined service, consider using smaller zones for quicker delivery times or premium service offerings. Now, within your local delivery zone, you need to set your delivery fees. You have several options here. A flat rate provides simplicity and predictability for customers, whereas a variable rate can be calculated based on distance or order size. Additionally, offering free local delivery over a minimum order value can encourage larger purchases and increase your average order value. Don't forget to add any delivery instructions or special notes for your team to fine-tune the process further. Let's move on to defining your delivery schedule. Determine the days and times when local delivery is available and set order cutoff times for same-day or next-day deliveries. You might also want to enable a time slot feature, allowing customers to choose specific delivery windows. This clear scheduling helps minimize missed deliveries, thereby enhancing the customer experience. To keep your customers informed, enable customer notifications in the settings under Store. Turn on notifications for events such as order received, order processing, and out for delivery updates. Personalize these email and SMS notifications to give your customers a professional experience, which can reduce inquiries and boost satisfaction. Finally, it's important to test your local delivery setup. Place a test order from within your delivery zone to ensure that the local delivery option appears correctly at checkout. Verify that the fees and estimated delivery times are accurate and that notifications are sent as intended. After testing, make any necessary adjustments to zones, fees, or schedules. When everything checks out, be sure to click Publish. Promote your local delivery option through website banners, social media, and email campaigns targeting nearby customers. Track the volume of local orders using Wix Analytics to optimize your delivery routes and zones.